Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I get one more trick for you that will make you advance in Excel. So let's see how it works. Sometimes we have this kind of data and we try to drag again and again to refill this. But in Excel, we don't to drag. Just select this data and go to find and select. Then go to special, click on blank, click on OK, then press is equal to and select the upper cell and press Ctrl plus enter. And here you go. This is best trick for Excel users. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please like this and share this video.